Hey everyone, in this video we will learn Darwinbox demo. First, open your web browser and go to the Darwinbox website. Now click on the Request a Demo button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Then fill in your name, business email, company name, and phone number in the form. Next, select the HR solutions you're interested in, such as recruitment, payroll, employee engagement, etc. Now click on Submit and wait for a Darwinbox representative to contact you. Once your request is approved, you'll receive an email with details about the demo session. After receiving the demo access, open your email and find the link provided by Darwinbox. Now click on the link and log in with the credentials given in the email. Once logged in, you'll see the Darwinbox dashboard with different HR modules like recruitment, attendance, payroll, and employee management. Now explore each section by clicking on your respective module. To understand how recruitment works, go to Recruitment and try posting a job listing. For payroll, go to Payroll Management and check how to process employee salaries. If you need assistance, use the Help or Support option available in the demo. That's it. Now you can explore the platform and see if it fits your business needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.